Hi treasures, this is oat milk. Let me share with you how to make this yummy and sweet oat milk that can replace the dairy milk for you. For those who don't like taking dairy milk, or those who are allergic to it, or if you're looking for plant-based milk to be using or drinking, this is the best plant-based milk. To make the milk, I'll be using 1.5 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of dates which I've already soaked and they seeded, a pinch of salt, and 5 cups of water. I'll be using cold water for this. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, let's make this. It's not difficult to make. All I'll do is to add everything into the blender, blend, and then sieve. You can sieve this with your nutmeg bag or chiffon cloth, or even a sieve that has tiny holes.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze.
I'll blend it for about a minute with little water, after which I'll add more water and mix it again. Blending oats, you don't need to blend it for too long. If not, it will get slimy.
Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. Golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in.
And here we have our oat milk. I used date as the sweetener. You cannot use any other sweetener of your choice. You can use sugar or any other sweetener you prefer. I also added 1 more cup, making it 6 cups of water that I used for making this. And here we have it. You can store this in the refrigerator for about 3 days. You can also leave it in your freezer for a longer time. Oat milk is very good and also very sweet. It can be enjoyed by anybody that loves plant-based milk. It also helps with the digestive system. It is also very good for breastfeeding mom. Yeah, it helps to pump out breast milk. Yes, but not for your babies. It's not going to replace their formula or their breast milk, please. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound.